Today we have a video from ArrestFlix, and the title of the video is Killer Husband Thinks He Can Outsmart Police Without Consequences.
On February 16, 2026, around 2:30 a.m., officers receive a frantic 911 call from Caleb Flynn. Shaken, he tells dispatchers that someone broke into his home and shot his wife, Ashley. With his two young daughters still inside, officers rush to the home on Cunningham Court in Tip City, Ohio, expecting a violent burglary, but they have no idea what really happened inside.
Somebody broke into my home. Somebody broke in my home and shot my wife.
Are they still in there?
I don't know.
Okay, what's the address?
932 Cunningham Court, Tip City, Ohio. Please hurry. Please hurry.
Okay. What are you seeing?
My wife she's got 2 shots to her head. There's blood everywhere. Oh my God. Sir, please.
Ma'am, I need you to take a deep breath, okay? Do you still see anybody in the house?
No, the door to the garage was wide open. Please hurry, please. Oh my God. My daughters are here. My daughters are here.
Where's she at?
She's in the bed.
Are you with her?
Yeah, I am in the room. I'm looking at her. Yes, please.
Okay, do you guys have the door locked?
We have the doors to the garage locked, but into the house, yes.
Okay. I checked this right here, nothing else.
Okay.
My daughters are in the bedroom over there. They're still asleep.
Okay. Have you checked on them?
The 911. Yes. Right now, no one else comes in here. Period. No, every door. No one.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Hey, sit. You want to sit down?
No.
Okay. Take a breath.
Is she gone?
Look at me. Take a breath. Okay.
I can't.
Look at me. I need you to breathe. Okay.
Try not to touch much. What do I do with my daughters?
Right now. Right now, I need you to breathe. Okay. Do you have any family that you can call? Okay, where's your phone at? Okay. Do you want to call family? Hold on. Corey, do you watch him? Yep. Oh, that door's open over there. That back door's open. Is that lead outside? Because I can't see. Is that a closet? Should we have him? Hey, look at this. What's up?
I'm not touching them.
Oh no, it's paint.
Don't touch the truck.
Do you see any blood?
No.
The home belongs to Caleb and Ashley Flynn, who live there in Tip City, Ohio, with their two young daughters. Ashley is a substitute teacher and volleyball coach, while Caleb is known as a former American Idol contestant and church musician. To neighbors, they appear to be a quiet, typical family.
Hey, someone watching him. Somebody needs to be watching him. Are there any firearms in this house?
I have a shotgun.
Okay.
And, what's that?
Oh, I said okay.
A shotgun and a 22 and like a pellet gun.
Okay, where?
And I have a handgun in my truck.
Okay.
In the glove box.
Okay. Okay.
Do I call somebody?
Awake. Both of them? Yep. Is this just a room? Is this just a room? Okay.
RP is requesting a check on Rebecca, Deshawn, and
Clear.
Everything. Yeah. The back doors are open. There's like a door on the side right there. It's open, so.
You guys cleared the garage and everything?
Yeah. We didn't. The truck, the center console with truck's open, and that's where he said he keeps his gun. So.
Who's shot?
The wife.
In the same room with him?
Yeah. In her bed. In the bed.
Dick with 230. 230.
Ashley's dead. No, Ashley's dead. She's dead. Someone broke in. She's dead. It shot her. She's gone. She's gone. I was with the girls.
We need to find out timeline. But let me talk to.
What do you want us to get?
Sense. That don't even make sense. Cause I'm glad that they about to figure out a timeline because someone broke in, shot his wife. He was with the girls, but the girls are now in the bed sleeping. So were they outside? And he was with the girls and brought them home, and he just tucked them in without them seeing their mom before bed or something. Like, how did this? So I don't know. I don't. Something not adding up, man. It's not adding up. Cause the kids are asleep, but the mom is there, laying there, and she gone. She gone, man. She gone. She out of here. She checked out. So how? There's a lot of missing parts here. No, we gotta connect the pieces, man. And I'm sure the cops gonna get the bottom of this, man, because this is messed up. At least I could say his crying skills is pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. His crying skills is pretty good. A lot of times we see but at least his stuff actually sounds believable. We can't see it, but it sounds believable. You guys that watch American Idol and stuff, let me know if you know who this person is, because man, I haven't watched American Idol and I couldn't even remember. The only ones I remember is like Daltrey, Ruben Stutter, I don't even know any other American Idol people. I'm sure if I heard their music or you said their names, I would know, but off the top of my head, that's like the only two I could even remember. Like, for real. But anyway, yeah, let's get back to it, man. Y'all let me know if y'all know who this guy is, because I don't got a clue. I didn't even know they were still doing American Idol.
Huh? From now on, we need to make sure we take a log of who goes in and out of the house.
Yeah.
At some point, we need to talk to him before till Mike gets here.
Yeah.
Because what's the timeline here?
Right.
How long? I mean, she looks like she's been gone for a while.
Really?
I mean, from what I could tell. I mean, where's he at?
Well, we haven't talked to him. Yeah. Do you want us to wait?
Yeah, I'll wait to talk to him. Yeah. I mean, Troy said they could bring a drone, but I don't know what they were looking for.
I mean, I froze, and then I ran, and the door to the garage was wide open.
How long were you here before we got here? Like 20 seconds?
Yeah, not too long.
Okay.
Because I think I seen you guys' lights.
Yeah. No cars came driving out of here?
No, I didn't see nothing.
I didn't see anything either. All down high.
And
I didn't see anything.
Came first one.
No, man. Sarge said it sounded like she been gone for a while. Or was that Sarge that said that? I'm pretty sure that was Sarge that said that.
It came in, I started going fast, and they said,
yeah.
I hit my siren.
Oh, yeah.
Then I turned the siren off a ways down so I don't scare no one.
Yeah.
And then I couldn't find it at first.
Well, the side door is what's open.
It's open still?
Yeah, it is. There was a fridge in front of it, like on the inside of the garage, and it's like someone pushed the fridge to open the door.
So it just happened that he just called you?
Yeah. I would say probably 40 minutes ago now.
I know you're not certified. Tell me this. How long do you think you've been gone for? I mean, it's probably
not long.
Okay. We're just trying to figure out why in the hell, where was he at? Because we got here about a burglary call.
Yeah, I'm guessing, but not hours.
Okay.
But they'll be able to get her body temperature.
Okay.
And they will be able to tell you a time.
Okay.
It hasn't been 5 hours.
No. Okay.
Her color
Recently,
the color was still good.
Okay.
He was inconsolable. Like, I mean, the moment we got there, he was on his knees in the dining room by the table. I mean, he's just been bawling his eyes out, vomiting in the trash can that's in there.
So Corey told me, and I don't want to keep you from him.
Yeah.
Corey told me the dispatch was burglary in progress.
Yeah.
Garage door open.
Yeah.
You guys get here on scene, garage door shut.
Yeah.
Side doors unlocked.
Side door's open.
Open.
Side door to the garage
So
is open.
It looks like somebody exited that way.
Entered and probably exited that way, I would assume.
Okay.
Because it was pushed. There's a refrigerator that was in front of it. You want lights on?
Yeah, that's fine.
Where were you asleep at, sir? I have a really bad cough.
So do I. Your mom was telling me that you've got the same thing going on that I do.
She sent me out here,
Okay, yeah.
and I was here, and I heard the dogs shake her, move her collar,
Yeah.
and it woke me up. And both my girls were sick,
Yeah.
so I thought it was one of them that got up. So I went in their room. And I laid down with them for I don't even know how long.
Yeah.
That's when I heard it.
Okay. From you hearing a gunshot, did you see anybody like exiting the room or?
In the days after the investigators processed the home and pieced together what happened. Initially reported as a burglary, detectives soon noticed inconsistencies, no signs of forced entry, and no suspects in the area. As forensic teams continue analyzing the evidence and investigators review Flynn's statements, the burglary story begins to unravel. Then on February 19th, 2026, just 3 days after Ashley Flynn was killed, police reached a critical conclusion. Detectives determined there is probable cause to believe the shooting was not the result of an intruder, but an act that occurred inside the home. That same day, officers arrest the man who made the 911 call, 39-year-old Caleb Flynn, Ashley's husband, now charged in connection.
Caleb, I need you to stand up when we like. When we place under arrest. All right.
Step forward.
You want evidence?
What's that?
Turn around for me, sir.
We're not going to discuss that here. Okay.
Put your hands together for me, like.
Did Patrick call you?
What's that?
Did Patrick call you?
Now.
Did he say we want evidence? Man, you get your evidence in court. Fight it in court. Good luck. Talking about we want evidence. Okay. Get his ass together.
You just stand up for me, like.
You guy's a monster. Get him together.
Place under arrest. All right.
Step forward.
You want evidence?
What's that?
Turn around for me, sir.
We're not going to discuss that here. Okay.
Put your hands together for me, like.
Did Patrick call you?
What's that?
Did Patrick call you?
Now, I didn't know that he was calling me, so.
His lawyer's supposed to be calling right now.
Okay, yeah. We'll get in touch with him.
I'm being cordial, I'm being cooperative.
I'm being cordial. I'm being cooperative. That's in your best interest before we get you together. Keep your voice down. Don't raise your voice here. Keep it cordial before we find something for you. You know what I'm saying? No, but I'm just playing, man. But this guy, yeah, you know what I'm saying? It don't even make sense. Like, the girls asleep, nobody wake up, gunshots. Like, come on, man. Nah, I'm trying to hear that.
I just want to take care of my daughters. I'm not at risk.
I understand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Well, the court is going to order a $2 million blanket bond in this case, covering all of your charges. Should you post bond in this case?
Following his arrest on February 19th, 2026, 39-year-old Caleb Flynn is formally charged with 1 count of homicide, 2 counts of felonious assault, and 2 counts of tampering with evidence. Prosecutors later add another charge, unlawful termination of another's pregnancy, after it is revealed that Ashley Flynn was pregnant at the time of her death. Flynn pleads not guilty to the charges, and a judge sets his bond at $2 million as the case moves forward through the court system. Now, investigators and prosecutors are preparing to present more details about what they believe happened inside the Flynn home that night. A key pretrial conference is scheduled for March 30th, 2026, where prosecutors are expected to outline more of their evidence and their theory of the case as the search for justice for Ashley Flynn continues.
Come on, you unalive your pregnant wife, man. What kind of sorry piece of shit are you? What type of shit is that? This guy. Wow. To go from being on TV to possibly spending the rest of your life in jail if you're convicted. Unbelievable. You only got one life to live. And this is the route you took. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.